how to add photo in PDF file in mobile. So let's say you have got a PDF file. On top of that PDF file, you would like to add a photo and save it again as a PDF. For this, we're going to use the help of this app, which is iLovePDF, available for free on both Android, iPhones, and even the browser version. Now, once you download this particular application, go ahead and then launch it. Go to the Files section and simply go ahead and then select a certain PDF file that you have. So in this case, you can see I have got a PDF file. Now I'll just go ahead and skip this. Now in this case, I've already added something, but let me just delete this. So this is a PDF photo or a PDF file. Now I want to add an image anywhere on top of it. So for that, first of all, you can see this edit icon. Tap on the edit icon. If it asks you to insert a certain name, make sure you insert that name. Then from the top left, you can see this little option, which is the gallery icon type of. Tap on it. Then you want to long press on it. Then when you long press on it, again you'll find another photos icon, which is to add a media. Tap on that media icon, and then from here you'll be able to add it. Now tap on the PDF file. Once you tap on the PDF file over here, right? So let me just go ahead and select that and tap on it. Tap the PDF file option right here. And once I've done that, what I'll be able to do is I'll be able to choose an action from my gallery. Now I can select gallery, and then I can simply choose a photo that I want. So I can select a photo, and now you can see I can simply drag and drop that photo within my PDF file. And once I've done that, I can simply go ahead and then tap the three dots and then save the changes on this PDF file. This way I can add photo in PDF file in mobile. I hope this video was really helpful. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in our next video.